Hi guys, this is Preston. Of course, na-try din natin to guys. Ang ganda, ang lupet. Canik SFS Rival guys. SFS Rival S. Meaning all steel siya. Diba? Meron tayong SFX Rival, diba? Yung polymer. Ito, version ng steel guys. Ready for competition. Ang ganda. Full size. 5.5 inches siya. Ganda. Meron siyang slide cut to lessen the recoil and of course the weight. Ayan, ganda guys. Tapos, inanuan na rin natin, meron na rin siyang upgrade guys, yung magwell niya. Ganda. Yan. So guys, test natin to. Guys, test naman natin itong Canik SFS steel version. Firing. Yun guys, upon firing the Canik SFS Rival S guys, ang ganda ng recoil niya. Of course, all steel siya guys. So, yung bigat niya nako-compensate yung recoil. So, ang ganda, yung bigat niya is to lessen the recoil, of course, for accuracy. Ang ganda guys. Of course, nakakatulong yung magwell niya. Ang ganda nung pagkakas natin ng magazine. Guys, ganda. Pasok agad. And of course, yung mga slide kit niya, ang ganda. Perfect for competition, guys. So, kung gusto yung mga competition ready na pistol, guys, you can't go wrong with it, guys. Canik SFX Rival, guys. Rival S. Yan, ganda. So, guys, try natin. This is press shipping Canik SFX Rival S. Let's go.